What does put the wind in my sails is the smell, especially the opening. Here are the notes. So this fragrance, Eilish number 2, is marketed as unisex. Right out of the bottle, this stuff smells great. Very different, apparently, from the number 1 fragrance, which comes in a gold-colored bottle of the same design. There's a soft and sweet wood smell that is lavishly and lovingly dusted with an ample scoop of finely ground black pepper, dried vanilla powder, and perhaps some other spices. But the main essence that I'm getting here is the woodsy notes. There's an ebony wood, which is really soft and sweet and almost milky. The creaminess and earthiness at the core of the fragrance is lovely. The papyrus note lends a bit of greenness, tempered nicely with bright apple blossom and bergamot coating. Those top notes add a tinge of freshness to what is essentially a warm, spicy wood fragrance. The Palo Santo at the base purportedly has medicinal qualities, and as an ingredient in perfumery, it could refer to the woods, the resin, or the oil. I'm not sure which is in here, but I'll bet it's the woods. This fragrance is creamy and quite soothing. For me, Eilish number 2 does quickly become more generic with time on my skin, and it does hover close to skin with time too. I mean, most fragrances do that, but it tends to happen much faster with fragrances that don't break the bank, sadly. Now, I sniffed this before I bought, but this would have been a good, safe blind buy for me, and probably for most men. But my guess is that there are probably going to be ladies out there for whom this is perhaps too masculine. There's a floral note in here, apparently. Poppy? But heck, I couldn't tell you what a poppy smelled like if you whacked me over the head with a bouquet of the stuff. It's red, it's very Flanders Fields. This was a good purchase. I'm reminded of Le Labo Santal 33, but sweeter, spicier, and less stringent. Oh, and there is vanilla in here, and perhaps that helps bring out the sweetness, but I reckon the sweetness stems more from the wood notes. Eilish number 2 definitely pairs better with fall and winter, and probably evening rather than day, but I'll be wearing this to work, and then dousing myself with more of it during the evening, I think. It's a good Halloween scent, and that's just down the road for me right now. Good for the witches, the ghouls, the spooks, and the things that sensually go bump in the night. And yet, I think this can also be Christmassy. It carries like a cozy vibe similar to Maison Margiela's By the Fireplace, but no, it doesn't smell like it. I mean, this is colder, more metallic, damper. The wood is dry, yet the atmosphere around it feels wet